All right, we're recording. Okay, baby, you go ahead and do your thing. I'm going to go in the house. All right, so just so my family knows, I am in Costa Rica at the present time. Okay, and in Costa Rica, there is a protocol. And my wife is very scared of this coronavirus. So I am talking to you guys after coming from the grocery store to pay a bill. Okay, now, this is what the protocol is. I have to strip before I go in the house and take off my shoes. She's going to wash everything. That means my wallet. Bjorn, I need your help. Okay, that means my wallet. That means everything in my pockets. That's the money. That's the change. That's everything that I have has to be changed. So this is what protocol is. So Bjorn is going to help me with protocol. Okay, Bjorn, hold that right there. Okay. So, this has to be washed, okay? I have to take my shoes off, okay? Shoes coming off. This is everything. This is the protocol in Costa Rica that my wife, who is deathly afraid of coronavirus, wants done. And her son has to do the same thing every time. Now, this is the keys, okay? The keys go on the floor. This is my wallet. Oh, sorry, buddy. This is my wallet and my passport and everything, which she's going to wash. Okay? Then I have everything else out of my pockets. Make sure everything... Oh, okay. This is important. Okay, that's my electric. Those are my bills and stuff that I had to pay. Okay? Now I have to strip down. And we're going to do this... Okay, we're going to do this the right way. So nobody thinks that I'm going, crazy, stupid. But anyways, everything has to be outside. Every time we do this, this is what happens, okay? Anytime we go out, this is protocol in Costa Rica, and my wife is so scared of the coronavirus, okay? I went commando today because I knew I was going to be filming this. And then this comes off. Baby, follow me. Okay, all this goes over here. Baby, where you want this? Straight in the wash? Yeah. Okay, straight in the wash. Okay, now I go back. Follow me, Bjorn.
Don't touch Bjorn.
Don't touch Bjorn. Don't touch nothing. Okay? Follow me, Bjorn. Now, my shoes have to go in here because it's sanitary. That's how we wash it. Okay, no, don't come away. Okay, so that's that. Now, what I have to do is I have to take a shower. So I am going to take a shower. And I will talk to you guys later, but this is what's going on. My wife is deathly afraid of this coronavirus thing. I'm doing whatever she says so I don't upset her. And later I'm going to have a conversation about how I upset her this afternoon because I was stressed. Okay, bye everybody. I'll talk to you later. Would looking at something like this make you feel relaxed? Or would it be something more like this? Or could it even be something like this? Well, for me, it's this. This is what makes me feel relaxed and at peace. It's just sitting on my boat or sitting on the beach and relaxing. And you can have this too if you just put your mind to it. Look, click the link below. Read this ebook that I read about a year ago. It completely changed my life, and I'm sure it can change yours. Just click the link. It'll walk you through everything you need to know about starting an internet business, from setting up a business account in your bank to even being able to write off your car on your taxes. And I'm telling you, it'll walk you through with the software that you need, and it even shows you how to set up the software that you're going to need. If you're tired of living the way you're living and you'd like to live something like this, click the link below, read the ebook, implement it, and good luck.